somebody asked question, how can reach deeper through Kundalini meditation, and what is Kundalini, like this. Kundalini or dynamic, both meditation, belong to Hara Chakra. Lot of energy people are hidden in Hara Chakra. And breathing only the support. If you are breathing, you are getting very deep. Breathing work very fast to transform energy from Hara Chakra to higher chakra. Kundalini meditation, little support. But if you want to reach deeper, then you have to do your breathing very deeper several times in a day. Several times. When you aware, then you breathe very deeper. 1,000 times. Only you have a one work. If you want to deeper, then you have only one work. What you are doing, this is not a question. But do Kundalini, this is certain part only. If you are doing together deep breathing during the day, then you will reach to right movement one day. And somebody asked about dynamic meditation. He was doing meditation since 6 months. In starting it was good, but now it is going mechanical. It happened because our body and mind living in habit. So in starting it seems like a not mechanical, but after few months it goes mechanical. There people has need to change the technique little bit. Not same technique. First step, change. Not according to tape record or according to you are doing before. You change the technique. The second step, people are doing catharsis, and catharsis one of the significant part of dynamic meditation. Same catharsis, don't try like yesterday. What do you do yesterday? Every day your catharsis should be new. Little bit. Not immediate you like this. Not immediate you start like yesterday you had. So people have need to change the technique. Then you will be not in mechanical process. It will be again developed. Again you can feel something is new happening with you. Little change, who also, little change. Before you fast, then go slow. Before you slow, then you go fast. Little gap. If you have a gap, then go overlapping. So, little bit change is needed for every technique. Then, because same technique you are doing, then sure you will get a mechanical process. So you have to change little bit this technique. Then when the people change something, for change awareness is needed. If you are not going to change something, then automatically it will become a mechanical, like this. Or if you want to know, then in front of me you can do it. Who is interested to dynamic meditation, I will come here and check. It is going mechanical, then how can change it little bit. So I will suggest that this suggestion, this change is needed. Understand who has this question? I don't know who has this question. Okay. See you.